Student, you have learned before that how to read and write the time. We have solved exercise 1. In that we have learned how to read and read the time. Students, you know that a one day has 24 hours. Okay, each day has 24 hours. If you ask anybody when your day is start and when your day is end, then when you get up, what is the answer at that time? When you get up, that at that time your day is start, and when you go to the bed, at that time your day is end. But students, actually we know that one day has 24 hours. Each day has 24 hours, and our day it is ends at 12 midnight. Okay, when it ends at 12 midnight, and new day begins at the same time. Means when our one day end, at the same time our next day it is begins. Means 12 midnight our one day ends, and at the same time next new day it begins. Okay, so there are some points that you have to remember. Okay, you have to know about it. So listen that points. First, the time between 12 midnight and 12 noon is denoted by AM. Look here, the time between 12 midnight and 12 noon is denoted by AM. 12 midnight, now just I told what our day ends when at 12 midnight, and a new day begins at the same time. So our day ends 12 midnight and 12 noon. Okay, during daytime 12 noon. So during that time 12 midnight to 12 noon, when that time we denoted, at that time it is denoted by AM. Okay, 12 midnight to 12 noon it is denoted by AM. Okay, and next point is the time between 12 noon and 12 midnight is denoted by PM. Means during daytime 12 noon to night 12 midnight, during that period whatever time we denote, we have denoted by PM. Now actually what is mean by AM and PM? AM, look here student, AM means anti-meridian. Look students, AM means anti-meridian. So here I have shown one example, 7 o'clock in the morning. Okay, then how to denote this time? In the morning we have just seen what the time between 12 midnight and 12 noon is denoted by AM. So we denote the time as 7 AM. Understood student? 7 o'clock in the morning, we denote this time as 7 AM. And next what we learn? The time between 12 noon and 12 midnight is denoted by PM. So what is mean by PM? PM stands for post meridian. PM stand for post meridian. Listen, understand and remember. AM stand for anti meridian and PM stands for post meridian. Okay, so see example of it. 11 o'clock at night. 11 o'clock at night. So 11 o'clock at night, how to denote this time? 11 PM. How to denote this time? 11 PM. Understood? So in this way the time between 12 noon and 12 midnight is denoted by PM. PM means, now just I told, post meridian, and AM is anti meridian. Okay, Now see next point. 12 o'clock is simply written as 12 noon or 12 midnight. Now we have seen the time between 12 midnight to 12 noon means between this time we denoted by am, and the time between 12 noon to 12 midnight is denoted by pm. But exact 12 midnight and exact 12 noon, okay, so we never denote it as am or pm. Just simply write it as 12 o'clock, simply write as 12 noon or 12 midnight. Okay, we never denote it by am or pm. Okay, now with the help of these points, now we will solve exercise 2. So look here student, let's see first example. Look here, question, use am or pm to write the time. Means what we have to use, anti-meridian or post-meridian. So look here, 8 o'clock at night. So now just we have learned the time between 12 noon to 12 midnight, it is denoted by pm. So it's night time, so surely we are denoted as pm. So how to write this time, how to denote 8 pm. Okay, next example, 4 o'clock in the morning. What is example? 4 o'clock in the morning. So see student, 4 o'clock in the morning. So we have learned the time between 12 midnight to 12 noon is denoted by am. It's morning, means after 12 midnight it's time. So how to denote this time? Look here, 4 am. How to write this time? 4 am. Okay, now see next example. 3:15 at night. See student, which is this time? At night time. So night time, we denoted time as a pm. Now 3:15. How to write this time? 3:15 means 3 o'clock, it's past. Quarter means 15 minutes past. Okay, so how to write this time? 3:15. Look here, and at night, so it is denoted by am. How to write this time? 3:15 am. Okay, next example, see now, 3 hours before noon. 3 hours before noon. Okay, now look here, noon. Noon means 12 o'clock. 12 noon, before 3 hours. So we have to subtract 12 minus 3. 12 minus 3 means 9. Okay, 9. 12 noon, before noon means it is a morning time. So for morning time, we have written it is am. So how to denote this time? 9 am. Okay, how to denote? 9 am. Next example, 7:30 in the morning. 7:30 in the morning. Half past means minute hand, it will be on the number 6. Means when minute hand is on the number 6, then how many minutes it is past? Yes, correct. 30 minutes past. Then 7:30, how to write it is? 7:30, and it's morning time. So how to write this time? 7:30 am. Look here, how to write the time? 7:30 am. Okay, now see next example. 5 hours after noon. Afternoon means after 12. After means we have to add. Okay, after 12 in our regular clock, have we seen after 12? our next number is start with the number 1. So after 12, if you see, then 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and after 12 noon, we are denoted time as a PM. So how to write this time? Look here student, 5 PM. Okay, now see next example. Quarter to 11 in the morning. Quarter to 11 in the morning. Quarter to means still 11 o'clock is not the time. Means your minute hand quarter to. Exercise 1. When we saw at the time I told quarter to means your minute hand is on the number 9, where it is on the number 9, means how many minutes past it is 45 minutes. Okay, 45 minutes means 10 hours and 45 minutes, and it's morning time, so 10:45 a.m. Okay students, how to write the time? 10:45 a.m. In this way, here we have by using AM and PM write the time. Okay.